Yeah. Drug dealers, killers. Yeah. Sharks and gorillas. Yeah. Hoes that you hit us. Who say that we ain't dope dealing with us?
That's one. So this gotta come out together? What? Oh shit. There's that one. How's that supposed to come out? Does this come out? I don't fucking know. Lasted a year.
3 bounty course runs, you did good.
I don't know, dude. If I want to come.
It ain't coming out?
No. Let me flip it over on its side and smack it. I think it's coming. I think it's gonna be fucked up anyway. There it goes. I think it's just this. Dude, the gears look fine.
Do what?
The gears look fine to me. The gears look fine. It's the snorkel shaft is spinning off the snorkel gear.
Ah, you got lucky, motherfucker. You broke your snorkel shaft.
That's it? I don't know how to pop this fucking seal up. Fucking bitch. God damn. That's a fucking seal.
Yeah, stick it in one of those holes and then spin it.
What the fuck? That's it?
Ta-da!
Hold on, I'm supposed to be recording this. Oh.
You know what you're looking at right there?
No, but I know where it's broken.
Yeah.
Alright, so I don't know if I was recording or not. Somebody walked me through pulling this guy out. Mr. Joe, transmission master himself. But what actually broke was the shaft, the output shaft. It goes all the way in there. It snapped off in that gear. All this other stuff is fine. So it looks like we're gonna need a couple seals, output shaft, probably the bearings in there, and we should be good to go. So I completely dropped the ball on this. I already did this bearing here and put all this back together. I still got the other bearing, but I wasn't filming none of it, man. I had to heat it up and I started cutting it, and then I finally got it off. There's a broken piece off the shaft. Let's see how far I got into this if I didn't film. Got that candy paint. Popped the seals in. I had to take a Dremel and clean all the fucking powder coat off. Got the seal in. And I started putting this guy in there. I already got it. That's the output shaft. And I already got the new bearing in there and a new bearing in here. And so once I get that other shaft done, then we'll start popping all that shit back in. Alright, we had some technical difficulties, but we're back on track now. We got this thing pressed on there, whatever the hell you call that, onto the output shaft. Almost forgot my little washer here. There it goes. I'm no professional at this. I'm kind of winging it. I'm watching a YouTube video. I'll give the dude a shout out. His name is, we're watching the 451 on YouTube. He's doing the whole transmission deal too. Never done this before. It's all nuts and bolts, bearings though. Worst case, I mess it up and I gotta take it back apart, right? They sandblasted the inside of my case before they powder coated, so I was advised to use little anti-seize. Rub that in. There's a bearing down in there, so he's pressing to it. Might end up taking. Alright, so I guess next we're dropping this guy in. I think this is usually the one that breaks. This is the snorkel gear. That's what I thought I had broke. Guess that just drops down in there. And we got our heavy duty pinion plate here. I believe that's specialized ATV. But what I saw is this long one is for the backlash, which goes in there. So we're just gonna put the other three in first and get those snug, and then we'll come back and figure that out. All right, so I hold this one and this one.
Yeah, see it? You feel that lash?
Yeah.
Now turn the mock until you have no lash.
Oh shit. Until I don't hear that noise anymore? Right there? Which way? Back?
Look down in that hole first.
Okay.
Do it real slow.
Tighten it, right? In?
Either way, you're just going to look for those teeth. You see those teeth? 0 lash right there, right?
Yeah.
Clockwise, 2 gaps. You're going to count 1 tooth and 2nd tooth. That's it right there. Now you're good right there. Just make sure you don't.
And now the other shit just drops in, right?
By the phone.
Fuck it. Okay, that's good then. I'll put red Loctite on these, right?
No.
No?
Blue Loctite.
Oh, this motherfucker said red. Too late.